Welcome to Singing with Ron! So welcome to this first video about semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, and I wanted to talk about straws. And I went out and bought a metal straw, and usually when I use it, I cover up, just partially close the end of it here, just so even less air is going out, so that I feel more back pressure back onto my vocal folds. So straws are being used by speech pathologists to help people that are not using their voice properly bring their vocal folds together in an appropriate way. So, and it really does help a lot of my singers to improve dramatically very, very quickly. So just remember the basic rules, make it easy. You don't have to be loud. And be anchored in your body, so, or have have support in your body. You could also go and just start to feel how does a straw change how you make sound with your vocal folds. Does it get easier? When you take the straw away, are you louder? And is it easier? These are signs that it's working. So yeah, so give straws a chance. They are like having a little voice teacher with you at all times, and really I use them at the beginning of the day to warm up. I use them after I've wrecked my voice being out at the bar, stuff like that. So give it a shot.